dove is very interested in Totoro. Totoro doesn't care at all. Yeah. You're blurry. Not gonna say anything to your dove friend? She's watching you. Oh. What's she thinking? Yeah. If you're wondering why there's a bird inside and why it's sitting on a human hand and doesn't seem worried. Oh, I think she might have lost interest because she stared at you for like 10 to 15 minutes yesterday. More like 10 minutes. Say bye, dove friend. I gotta go preen. You bye-bye. She's all foofed. So cute. Love how curious she is about Totoro. Yeah, should I zoom in on the dove and see what she's thinking? Now Totoro's on my shoulder, the dove's like, what the heck? Oh. Okay. Say bye, dove friend. I'm gonna go preen. I'm gonna go preen.